When your case goes to trial, why do we announce in a big loud voice who it is that we're calling as our next witness to the witness stand? You want to know the answer? Come join me as I share with you some terrific information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. So now your case has gone all the way to trial. And now the judge says to me, Mr. Oginski, call your next witness. Your Honor, at this time I call Mrs. Jones to the witness stand. Now Mrs. Jones gets up from the back of the courtroom and makes her way past the jury and goes right to the front seat. Where does she sit? In the witness stand. And before she has a chance to sit down, she's told, raise your right hand. And now she's given the oath to swear to tell the truth. And now she can go ahead and sit down and I can begin asking her questions. After I am done, and now my opponent has an opportunity to cross-examine my witness, the judge then turns to me and says, Mr. Oginski, call your next witness. Thank you, Your Honor. At this time, the plaintiff calls Dr. Gold to the witness stand. And now everybody in the courtroom turns and they see some guy in the back of the courtroom getting up and walking right past the jury, now going right to the witness stand. Why do we as attorneys go ahead and announce in a big, loud, clear voice who it is that we are next calling to the witness stand? I'll tell you why we do it. We do it to give the jury an understanding of who is this person who now is getting up on the witness stand. It allows the judge to know exactly who's getting on the witness stand. And you should know, before the trial ever actually starts, during a conference that occurs moments before or a day before we actually start trial, the judge often will want to know how many witnesses we intend on bringing in, how many each side intends on bringing in, as far as scheduling, so the judge has a better understanding of how to schedule the trial. In addition, there may be instances where there's a problem with producing one of those witnesses, such as a medical expert. In addition, there may be a problem with one or more of those witnesses that the defense has a problem with. And now the judge will have to make a legal ruling about whether or not that witness can testify. So it's really a courtesy. It's a courtesy to the judge to let him know who it is that we're calling to the witness stand. And it's really a courtesy to the jury to let them know exactly who it is that we're putting on the witness stand and now we're about to question. You should also know that as soon as the witness sits down, the court reporter is going to ask the person on the witness stand to state their full name and address. So now they put it on the record. And then I can go ahead and ask questions and now tell the jury who this person is and why they are there and what observations and opinions and conclusions this person has drawn as a result of the events that occurred. It's a common courtesy to announce in a big loud voice, Your Honor, at this time we call Mrs. Jones to the witness stand. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you because nobody touches on these little nuances that occur during a medical malpractice trial or an accident trial or even a wrongful death trial here in the state of New York. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you have not yet started a lawsuit but are thinking about doing so, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions just like yours and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.